Hello future CA, welcome back to my channel again. So I am on a mission to help you ace your CA exams with confidence and clarity. So this video will help you get you closer to your goal of becoming a chartered accountant. So CA Inter September 26 exams are closer than you think. And if you are still wondering how to complete the syllabus, revise properly and score well, don't worry, I have got you covered. So in this video, I am sharing a complete 50-day revision plan, which includes subject-wise schedule, revision cycles and smart tips that toppers actually use. So if you want clarity, structure and zero last-minute stress, this plan is exactly what you need. So let's break it down and start your preparation the right way. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more CA exam related strategies, tips and guidance. So this is the study plan that we'll be seeing today. So this is for CA Inter September 26 exam and it's a 50-day revision planner and it's for CA Inter both groups. Suppose your attempt is in January 27 or next year May 27 and if 50 days are left for your exam and if you come across this video at that time, you can still follow this plan. Because along with the plan and date, here I have given the day also. So you can follow this plan accordingly. So this plan is starting from 10th July. So this is just the summary that we are discussing. So I have converted this entire summary into a detailed day by day 50-day PDF version. So in that you will get subject wise schedule, revision cycle, slot to practice mock test paper, slot to practice revision test paper, slot to practice MCQs and slot to correct and work on your errors, whatever you made in your mock test paper, etc. So please stay with me till the end to find out how you can access that PDF. So let's have a look at this summary now. So first from day number 1 to day number 16, that is 10th July to 25th July. Here you will be revising the chapters with the highest weightage. So in the BOS knowledge portal, you can find out the chapters with the highest weightage and ensure you revise those chapters first. Because the chapters with the highest weightage will come for more marks in the exam. So if you cover these chapters first, then most of the marks will be in your hand. Plus every day you will be having one slot to practice MCQ also. Because as we are aware that in each of the subject MCQ is for 30 marks and there is no negative marking also for MCQ. So it's very important to practice MCQ every day because if you practice every day, then for 50 days if you practice continuously, then by the time exam comes, you will be able to solve the MCQ accurately as well as in fast speed. So you can score maximum marks in the MCQ portion itself. So there are various sources from where you can practice MCQ. So when you go to my channel, you can search as different sources from where to practice MCQ. You will get that video and you can check that video. So one of the important sources will be the case scenario booklet. In that different type of case scenarios are given. So please practice from that case scenario booklet. One more important thing is to prepare notes for each of the subject. So for practical subjects, prepare notes of the important formulas and important formats which you will be using. And for practical subject also don't ignore theory part. And for theory portion make notes of important concepts. And then for law based paper make notes of the provision, section numbers, etc. Like for auditing and accounting make notes of the accounting standard number and the name. And for auditing make notes of the standards on auditing number and the name. Because this will be useful. You will have to quote these in the exam. And in the law-based paper, make notes of the section numbers, provision, because you can quote this in the exam. Because it will enhance your answer and it can increase your marks also. And whenever you are revising, if there is any question with any tricky adjustment, you can highlight that. Because 1.5 days before the exam when you are revising, you can revise these tricky adjustments. Also for 1.5 days before exam, for revision, you can use Saransh also. But if your own handwritten notes is there, this will be very helpful. And also go through the entire ICA study material and test your knowledge question also. Because sometimes it was noticed that the questions which were given in the test your knowledge, similar type questions were there. Next, day number 17 to day 22. that is 26th July to 31st July. Here you will continue the revision, plus you will attempt the mock test paper and you will also analyze the mock test paper. Like on 26th July, suppose in the morning slot you will revise Advanced Accounting MTP. And then in the afternoon from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. you will give the Advanced Accounting MTP 1. So on you will do for the other subjects on the remaining days. And for the MTP, just if you write the MTP, it's not enough. You will have to analyze it also. So for practical subjects, now for accounts, you have to check whether you have written the accounting standards name and number correctly, whether you wrote the formulas correctly, whether you were able to correlate the concepts correctly. For auditing, you have to check the standards on auditing, whether you have written them correctly. And then for law-based paper, you will have to check the sections, provision numbers. And for costing and FM, you have to check if you have written the formulas correctly and solved the answer correctly step by step. So on for each of the subject, you have to analyze and note down in one place. And then you have to also check if you have presented the answer correctly, whether you completed the paper within time. And whatever 15 minutes reading time will be there, that also you have to practice during this MTP time itself. And then you have to check if you lacked any conceptual clarity anywhere, or if any question came from any topic which you didn't study at all. Like this, make notes of whatever errors you have done and note it down in one book, subject-wise errors as well as overall errors, so that in the coming days you can work on those errors. Now from day 23 to day 32, that is 1st August to 10th August. So here you will continue the revision of the other chapters, plus whatever MTP 1 errors were there, you will try to work on those errors. So now before going ahead with this revision plan, next up on the screen you can see some feedbacks. So previously also I had prepared many study and revision planners and I have received feedbacks from many CA students. So these planners were very helpful for them. So I was also very happy to receive these feedbacks because it helped the students to complete the syllabus on time. It increased their confidence and they were also able to clear their exams. So next up on the screen you can see those feedbacks. So this is one of the feedback which I received, in which the student successfully cleared his exams. So students found this study planner helpful and they were able to follow this easily as well. So previously I had got request many times to convert the study plan into a PDF. That's why this time I have made a PDF also for that. So these planners have been really very useful for many of the students. So you can see the various feedbacks here. So as I mentioned earlier, without the study planner, it was very stressful for the students to complete the syllabus on time. So that's exactly why I have prepared this new 50-day revision plan to make your preparation stress-free too. So don't just watch the plan. I have converted this entire strategy into a detailed step-by-step PDF planner that tells you exactly what to study every day for the next 50 days. So the link of this planner has been given in the description and in the pinned comments below. You can access it from there. So it includes daily subject-wise scheduling, revision cycle, slots for mock test paper practice, and a smart strategy to avoid burnout. So this revision planner will include revision planning, including daily subject-wise slots, smart rotation between all the subjects to maximize scores, dedicated MCQ practice slots to improve speed and accuracy, MTP practice slots along with analysis slots, MTP error tracking and correction slots, RTP practice slots. So if you want clarity instead of confusion, structure instead of stress, grab the complete planner from the link in the description and the pinned comments below. So now coming back to this revision planner, from day number 33 to day number 38, that is from 11th August to 16th August. So here you will continue the revision and attempt the mock test paper series 2 and you will analyze the MTP. So same way like you did for MTP1, same rules will apply here also. And both the MTPs I suggest you give in the 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. time itself, because the exam is in that time itself, right? And also during the study leave, it's better to keep one slot between this 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So in the study leave, if you sleep during this time, then in the real exam also you might tend to fall asleep. And one more important thing is, in this revision planner, we have kept smart rotation between all the subjects, because as we are aware that for each subject individually the passing criteria is 40%. But in aggregate all the subjects together we should secure 50%. That's why it's important to rotate between all the subjects and complete each of the subject in an equal proportion. And one more thing is, your MTP2 marks should have significantly increased compared to MTP1. Because after writing MTP1, you would have worked on the errors and then you would have given MTP2. So after MTP2, again you will analyze MTP2, and if any other errors you come across, please make a note of that. So by now, most of the errors you should have mitigated, but still by chance if any error is there, please note it down. Then from day number 39 to day 41, that is 17th August to 19th August, here you will be practicing the revision test paper. So MTP and RTP both are important. Then from day 42 to day 51, that is 20th August to 29th August. So if any chapters are remaining, plus if there is any error in MTP2 analysis or RTP analysis, you will work on those during these days. Then from day 52 to day 53, that is the last 2 days, that is 30th August and 31st August. Here you will start revising for the paper 1 advanced accounting. So it's always better to start studying early for the paper 1, because that time you will feel more confident for the first exam, and if the first exam goes well, you will be confident for all the other exams also. It will build like a positive momentum for your other exams. So follow this plan consistently and you will be able to see the difference in your marks for yourself. So discipline beats motivation. So remember, CA is not about studying 12 to 15 hours randomly. It's about consistent planned study every single day. So follow this 50-day revision plan sincerely and you will see a huge difference in your confidence and your marks. So this planner will help you complete the entire syllabus in 50 days. Balanced preparation for both groups. Daily subject-wise timetable. Smart revision cycle. Smart rotation between all the 6 subjects. Dedicated MTP practice plus MTP analysis slots. Proper time allocation for theory plus practical subject. Reduce last minute stress plus clear daily targets to avoid procrastination. So this planner will help you to achieve all of this. So this planner is for you if you are appearing for the CA Inter both groups in September attempt. This planner is also applicable for students who have failed recently and want a structured comeback. And this planner is applicable for you if you struggle with time management or if you want clarity instead of random studying. So this is not just a timetable, it's a strategic revision system that helps you prioritize high weightage topic, ensures timely revision, includes mock test integration, maintains realistic achievable daily slots, and prevents burnout through structured flow. So consistency plus structure leads to rank level preparation. So if you are interested in this 50-day revision planner, the link has been given in the description and the pinned comments below. Do check it out. Also, if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more CA exam related strategies, revision tips and motivation. All the best for your preparation and I will see you all in the next video.